Hello everyone, welcome to Himalaya channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 4 of Class 6 NCERT, our past one. So, what is the chapter name? Chapter name is History in the Earliest Cities. Man's lifetime changed significantly after he learned the art of using metal. The first metal to be discovered and used by man was copper. Later, he learned to make bronze. Bronze is an alloy of here mixture of tin and copper. So during this copper and bronze age, a civilization occurred in the northwest of Indian subcontinent on the banks of river Indus and its tributaries around 4000 years ago. So here emerged the earliest cities in this and around this region. So in this chapter, we are going to study history of these earliest cities which emerged in and around this region. And coming to the story of Harappa. Here, when Britishers were laying railways for the first time, where in this Harappan city, which is in today's Pakistan, they discovered a mound. And there were lot of bricks available here, ready-made bricks, and they started carrying these bricks. Lot of thousands of bricks were carried from this region without realizing the importance of it. And later, when archaeologists found this, and then they realized that this is the earliest city of this Indian subcontinent. So gradually, they discovered other sites here. For example, Mohenjo-daro, Rakhigari, Kalibangan, Ganberiwala, Chenhudaro, Doravira, Surkatoda, Lothal, etc. As Harappa site was to be first discovered, the civilization here, it came to be known as Harappan civilization. Next, let us understand the town planning of this Harappan sites. Here, these cities were known for well town planning. And if we see, all houses as well as the drains here, they were built of burnt bricks which were of very good quality. And the cities here, many of the cities were divided into 2 or more parts. The western part, if we take, it was smaller but higher. It was called as citadel. And the eastern part, it was lower but larger. It was called as lower town. And if we see, there are some notable features in some of the cities. For example, if you take in Mohenjo-daro, we find Great Bath. You can see in the picture. Then in Harappa, we find Great Granary. And most striking feature is that almost all the cities had well-planned drainage systems and many cities had wells. Coming to the life of Harappan people used common food items like wheat and barley. And animal bones found at Harappa include sheep, goat, pig, etc. And they made pots out of this fine clay. And many kilns have been found which were used for baking the bricks. And seals were found, you can see in the picture here, seals which were made out of a soft stone called steatite. Here you can see an animal here which was called as unicorn, and the script used on the seal which was never deciphered. And in this image, you can see terracotta objects and many ornaments where both men and women used. For example, necklaces, armlets, finger rings, bangles, they were found. So these are stone weights. So after understanding life of Harappan people, let us try to understand the trade in this region. Trading thrived in Harappa. It suggests that they had long distance trade. So here, seals of Mesopotamia have been found in Indus Valley and seals of Indus Valley have been found in Mesopotamia. So this is how they came to know that long distance trade was existing. And they imported metal and precious stones. For example, copper was imported from Rajasthan, gold was imported from Karnataka, and precious stones were from Iran and Afghanistan. So let us understand what for these seals were used. Seals may have been used to stamp bags or packets containing goods that were sent from one place to another. After a bag was closed or tied, a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot and the seal was pressed on it. The impression of the seal is known as sealing. If the sealing was intact, one could be sure that the goods has arrived safely. Okay. So carefully observe this picture. This terracotta, it depicts that they were knowing the wheel and they used wheel and plow here, and they were also using ships. It is depicted in this seal. Next one, here, two important cities in Gujarat, if we take here, Dholavira and Lothal. Here, Dholavira was full of traces of fresh water and fertile soil. It had water harvesting system. Next one is Lothal. Lothal was an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. Means it was a center of artifacts and there was a dockyard even in Lothal. Okay. So after seeing all this, let us try to understand why such a great civilization had to decline. So it lasted from 2500 BC to 1500 BC. This date is approximate. And we do not know exactly of what reason this civilization got declined. Many historians suggest many reasons. For example, earthquakes, floods, climate change. Okay, and some historians also suggest that it might be due to the invasion of Aryans, which led to the decline of Harappan civilization. Fine. So what did we understand in this chapter? Harappan cities, important cities, their town planning, and about seals, about lifestyle, and two important cities in Gujarat, Dholavira and Lothal. And we understood some reasons, what might be some reasons for this decline of Indus Valley civilization. That's it in this video. Thank you.